Hey everybody, doing NHL 15 PS3 unboxing. Get this opened up. Alright, so there's the back. A lot of action going on there. Price and the puck is. Players are all over the place in there. Shows Markov and Krejci, Carey Price. Now I got a pre-order with this as well. The bonus was $24 worth of Hockey Ultimate Team packs and stuff like that. There's a disc there with Bergeron on it, and the manual with Bergeron on it. Not much in here. Just the usual type of stuff. We got this in there, the Hockey Ultimate Team. One of our most popular modes. Gives you ability to build and play with your fantasy hockey team, composed of your favorite players, online seasons, real world content. Hut connects players to the real world of the NHL by celebrating huge performances, player milestones, and NHL events with special edition items in game. If you're an NHL fan, a hockey fan, you should really pick this up. It's going to be a good one. Thanks for watching, everybody.